All right, so what we have is kale. And we have a spinach right here. More kale, more kale, more kale, 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 kale. Good morning. Something that we're gonna do right. No. Is there a ball in here? You're gonna tear up the garden. So we have a good amount of things to get done today. One of the things is we bought some starts. Definitely need to get those in the ground before they kind of go bad. It needs a lot of love, it needs a lot of work. We are behind, weren't able to do any kind of seed starting. The first step, gotta get these greens in the ground. My thought is this: if you're behind on seed starting, then it's not a big deal if you spend a little bit more money on buying starts. Because especially with greens, because with these greens, the plan is that we should be able to get several salads. We should be able to get like lots of salad from these. It's a cut and come again. It does still pay for itself if you're gonna be buying salad. Salad in the grocery store is expensive. For hurting, you need to use your hands for helping. Okay, actually, Everett, tell Mom that you need some zip ties. Okay, so here is all of the rabbit manure and biochar that we put down earlier this summer, and now harvesting it to put in our fall garden beds. Well, then put your jacket on. Yes, you can. Well, go get it. Adding in some MicroLife organic fertilizer.
Yes.
I would do it like a foot.
Here.
Kelly's here to give us her expertise.
Oh, I'm just green thumbing this.
This is why farmers grow meat.
And have systems.
Yeah.
Hey, I felt like this was the summer of the pig.
Yeah.
Now this is the winter
And chicken too.
of the garden. And chicken. They
It
were
was
just
meat.
so quick.
I know.
Compared to it.
I
So
know.
we will try gardening. And we've gardened successfully before, just not here.
Not here yet.
So.
But hey, we've never had watermelon in Houston. And you had 2 watermelon. Oh, did I tell y'all that we bought starts because we didn't get seeds? Someday we'll do seeds.
Because we're building a studio.
That's why.
And we want to grow food. There's nothing wrong with buying starts. Okay, so.
Okay, so this is what I would do. Do you want gloves?
Quite the best.
Yeah, maybe pull up some dirt around that to like give it a little bit of support.
A little love.
These
are the goat jeans. I can smell them.
Oh, you haven't washed them?
I wore them yesterday and then I was gonna garden.
Kelly went to go visit friends for homeschool.
I got goated.
And she,
Oh,
a goat fell in love.
Chelsea tagged you in it. You're gonna see it and you're gonna die.
Okay. Did she record it? Of you getting...
No,
you getting humped by the goat?
A post about, of her goat that was molesting me.
I think we're done.
We're
How about
done.
that? There you go. So everything's planted. That's a lot of
Do you want to
plants.
see our basil seeds?
Oh, you mean like
Yeah.
show them?
Right. So you open up this little pod.
You just dropped some. Chip!
So did Chip.
Ollie, will you get Chip out of here?
There we go. 2 little
That is
basil seed
crazy.
nuggets.
So cool. Chip,
I accidentally poked my
you got a little something. Yeah, you got a little something right there.
that I accidentally poked myself.
Are you bleeding?
A little bit.
That's why I said if you're using that, then you gotta be very aware.
We're making a hideout.
Did you get it out? Yeah, part of it. Oh, is that a roll?
Yeah.
You found the roll. Cool.
You can like cut it straight
Yeah.
and have a free tarp.
Good. I've been looking for this.
Yeah, like you were.
So why did y'all collapse it?
Because we were worried. If it collapsed, it would collapse all of this, and we didn't want it to do that. We want it to be. It would ruin the hideout. Ollie, get some water. Get some water. No. Ollie, Dad, do you think water can work? No.
I have no clue of what is happening.
We are digging a giant hole for a hideout.
Yeah!
Chippy! Doggy. That's why we
No.
need water.
Finley.
No, doggy.
Finley, what is going on here?
They're trying to collapse it.
Collapse what?
The dirt mountain.
Dirt? They're going to collapse Dirt Mountain?
Boom! The dirt part.
I'm so confused. Did Chip do it and that's why his nose is all dirty?
No. We keep throwing clumps of dirt like this. We keep throwing clumps. Chip! And it just disappears. Like, where did it go?
He tries to chase the dirt?
Yeah.
That's funny. As the children are doing whatever it is that they are doing over there, let's go show you what we ended up with. Chip, you're not allowed in here because you... Oh, hi, Mercy. Yes, you're a digger. You can't come either. Sorry. I love you, but you dig. All right, so what we have is kale. Kale. And we have a spinach right here. More kale. More kale. More kale. 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 I bought a lot of kale. Butter lettuce, butter lettuce, butter lettuce, butter lettuce. Then arugula all over there. Then a little salad mix there. And then more arugula. Arugula. It's a vegetable.
Now, if there's anything you want that we don't have, you just let us know.
Arugula. I haven't had arugula in 6 weeks.
What's that?
It's a vegetable.
All right, then in this bed, we have collards in the back, some Swiss chard on the front, and then mix in there spinach, I think. There's a couple of spinaches mixed in there. And because we don't have the pigs or the chickens right now, and we don't have the pigs, we don't have the meat chickens, I have a lot of hose that I can actually bring the rainwater, which is all the way up above the house, and I can bring it down here to the garden. That's exciting. So let's see what water pressure looks like that. So that's pretty good. It's not bad. I don't want that setting. Being able to water the garden. That's some gravity right there. It's not a lot of pressure, but it'll do. And of course, the lower you go, the higher the pressure goes. But this will help us water down here because this soil down here was really, really dry. everybody about your pants?
My Old Navy pants. My influencer mom jeans.
These are influencer mom jeans
Quite literally mom jeans. But they are really great.
from Old Navy.
Old Navy. And they were on sale for $20.